Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial header unit for Honda Accord 10th 2019 to 2021 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Okay, and it comes with special canvas box and harness. So it's plug and play. This is radio factory backup camera and antenna. This is power cable. Okay. So it's plug and play. Okay, you can check it built-in microphone and reset hole. All apps are here. It built-in amplifier, DSP amplifier. Okay, Bluetooth and Google Maps, Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This is YouTube. This is Z-Link for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Connect Apple CarPlay Z-Link app. Okay, back to home. Can check setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and the email address you can connect to us. You also can choose the Honda logo. Okay, change the logo. Choose the Belsee. Back to home. Okay, and theme editor you can adjust with gray. Any color you can adjust by this panel. This blue, this red color. Okay. Okay. Long press you can choose the app like Bluetooth. Close. Open the Bluetooth. You can custom by name, choose the app. You can choose Google Maps. You can choose Maps. Okay, close. When you click name button, it will show the Google Maps. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check this Android 10 system. Okay. And the PX6 chip. Storage total 64 GB. Okay, built in the Wi-Fi and supports 4G mobile network and the hotspot from your phone. Okay, firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. Okay, you can check the settings. This pin number auto. Pin number you can choose. You can set pin number. Let me check it. Okay, enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click search. Okay. Choose it. Connect. Your phone will get message. Please click low or OK. You also can set the Bluetooth in the factory settings. Please check the factory settings. Car settings, factory settings. You can choose the correct Bluetooth modem. Okay, and the head unit will come with two USB cable. There are two USB cable. Connect one with USB. USB. Okay, and DSP amplifier. Sound field. Sub control. EQ. And balance. Okay, you can play video from the video is disabled for your safety. You can set it in the settings. Find the car settings, driver settings, turn on the watch video. Okay, you can play video. It's 4K video. Okay, let me check the settings because the Bluetooth not correct. The Bluetooth you can check, and I will confirm the Bluetooth volume. Okay. Usually this does not show the auto. Okay. Well, you can check this paired device. You can download the context lighting, allow or refuse. Okay. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. And this volume, this back button, this home button. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. Contact to us. Thank you.